Hello, my dear students. This is Abhishek Mishra, Faculty of Social Studies at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. In this video, I am going to teach you Class 9th Economics, Chapter number 1, The Story of Village, Palampur. In my last video, I had told you about the distribution of the land among the farmers, those who were residing in village Palampur. In this video, I am going to tell you about some of the effects caused by the Green Revolution on Indian farmers' land. So directly here we are going to start the topic, will the land sustain? क्या ज़मीन की क्वालिटी वैसी की वैसी ही रहेगी जैसा कि पहले हुआ करती थी, या फिर एक्सेसिव केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स या इंसेक्टिसाइड या पेस्टिसाइड यूज़ करने के बाद भी ज़मीन से क्या उतना ही प्रोडक्शन लिया जा सकेगा? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Land being a natural resource, it is necessary to be very careful in its use. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming methods have overused the natural resource base. Means modern farming methods require much of the water for irrigation. We are using natural resource in such a way that they are going to be depleted from our earth. Now, in many areas, green revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. When fertilizers are used in excess amount, so it create the excessive salinity of the soil, and this salinity is causing the infertility of Indian fields. Also, continuous use of groundwater for tube well irrigation has reduced the water table below the ground. Environmental resources like soil fertility and groundwater are built up over many years. All the natural resources that are present in earth, they are in very limited quantity and it take million of years in their formation. Scientific methods, modern farming equipments require much of the natural resource. So here we are directly going to finish them at a very rapid rate. Once if they will be destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. We must take care of the environment to ensure future development of agriculture. Here an activity has been given where you can see the production of pulses and wheat, how much it arose in the following years. Now, see, pesticides to produce best results. Indian farmers are using more pesticides and fertilizers to produce best results. Higher yields were possible only from a combination of HYB seeds, irrigation, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc. So these are the modern methods that are used by farmers nowadays to increase their productivity. In India, farmers of Punjab and Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh were the first ones to try out the modern farming method in India, and these are the most flourished states in our country. But there is a drawback of these states also. When the farmer use excessive amount of pesticides and fertilizers, so it is causing the depletion of their natural resources and creating more salinity in the soil. The farmers in these regions set up tube wells for irrigation and made use of HYB seeds. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides in farming, some of them bought farm machinery like tractors and threshers which made plowing and harvesting faster. They were rewarded with high yields of wheat. So using modern equipments, you can extract much of the wheat or whatever the crops there is in your field. In Palampur, the yield of wheat grown from the traditional varieties was 1300 kg per hectare. With the HYB seeds, the yield went up to 3200 kg per hectare. So there was a large increase in the production of wheat. Farmers now had greater amounts of surplus wheat to sell in the market. Now, what is the difference between multiple cropping and modern farming method? In multiple cropping, you grow more than one crop on the same piece of field, while in the modern farming method, you use modern equipments for irrigation. The following table shows the production of wheat and pulses in India after the Green Revolution in units of million tons. Plot this on a graph. Was the Green Revolution equally successful for both the crop? Discuss. For wheat, it was more successful than pulses. Now, what is the working capital required by the farmer using modern farming method? In modern farming method, the working capital required to purchase the modern equipments like thresher, tractors, and so many, and to purchase fertilizers, insecticide, and pesticide also. So here I am ending my video right now. Rest of the topics I will cover in my next video, and these topic will be associated with the non-farming activities that are done in village Palampur. Thank you.